What's up, my ponios? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to share with you guys this content here. This is the Leather Pro case from the folks at Sandmarc. They make awesome gear for your phone, for obviously your camera, but more importantly, to be able to have a rig or to be able to have lenses here to be able to level up your content. Now, this is not a leather comparison video, but please check out our channel sponsor here a little bit later in the video from the folks at Andar. If you want to get 15% off your first order for watch straps, for leather cases, wallets, bags, all that good stuff down below, it'll be there. Sandmarc makes really sleek cases that are geared towards their products. Now, they have a unique mounting system that only fits their lenses, so unfortunately you can't opt into someone else's like the small rig or the Moment lenses. But what's great here is this is made out of high quality, eco-friendly tanned leather that's dyed brown. It will patina over time, and it's made out of a really high quality polycarbonate core that will give structure and utility for your action shots. It's got a dual lens mount using aluminum mount finish and microfiber lining. It's full grain leather that is ethically sourced, and as you can see, it's wrapped all the way around the phone. They use anodized buttons, which are really sleek and clicky, and it's got MagSafe capability to be able to use your other accessories. Unboxing here is super sleek and straightforward for the leather case. I really like their presentation. You can go ahead and just kind of slide it out, and there it is. It's really high quality. They embossed their name at the bottom, and they made it out of really high quality anodized aluminum for the mounts to be able to give you two mounts here for your tele and your wide. Pulling it out here for the first time, I can just, wow, that smells so good. The leather is tanned and wrapped all the way around the phone, so if you wanted to have an alternative here for the Apple, this is my go-to. It's a little bit hefty here, but it's made out of really high quality. Coming up close here, as you can see, it's been tanned. There is a little bit of grain and stretching that you can see. I think the lens mount is really high quality, and it protrudes out to give you that protection. You got these really cool anodized buttons that are copper, and then you even have a button here for the action button. Punch outs here for the IO, and then a sleek microfiber lining here to give you insulation, especially with drop protection. That's really important. Placing the phone here for the first time in the case, you can see the difference between Andar and Sandmarc. A little bit different in style, and it's a little bit heftier here on the Sandmarc style. Let's place it in for the first time. I opted into black titanium, so you're gonna be able to see kind of those hints, that motif throughout the phone, even though it's gonna be replaced with the brown. I really like how that looks in the hand. Wow, that's really sleek. Coming up close here, the lenses are protected. You've got the grooves there for their patented mount. The leather just looks so good as you come up super close. Full grain, wrapped all the way around. Oh, you even have a wrist strap. Little buttons are really nice and clicky. Action button is nice and clicky here. This is to be able to opt it. I mapped it to my camera shutter. It's great. It's got MagSafe. It looks really good in the hand. I have their wide lens here that I use for the 14. I'm excited to be able to use it now for the 15. I'll have a camera comparison video for the Moment and all the other lenses here if you're interested. Placing it on here for the first time, it's really simple and sleek. You just find the grooves and you spin it. You don't want to go too much. There you go, lens cap take off, and there it is. That is so sleek in the hand. I love that. Oh man. Coming up close here, as you can see, the wide is really high quality. Wow, that just looks so cool with the three tones here. You got the dark, you've got the brushed aluminum, and then you've got the eco-tanned full grain leather. We're gonna place it on the 5X here. I don't know why you'd want to put a wide on the 5X. Maybe if you wanted to go to like a 3.5. But that just grips right on there as well. It looks sleek in the hand. I really like that. If you want to level up your content here, you can opt into something like the SnapGrip here from the folks at ShiftCam. This just snaps right onto the MagSafe. This is going to act as a 5,000 milliamp battery as well as a shutter button. So you can see, you can lift up your content here with a really cool shutter button. You even have a couple of other accessories here if you wanted to opt into that. This is their creator kit. This acts as a nice light as well as additional accessories. You've got the tripod mount grip as well for content creation. If you wanted to have something that was a little more stationary on your desk, you can opt into the base from the folks at Nomad. This is going to drive 15 watts to your Qi charging. It's got a braided cable, really high quality, hefty, durable, and heavy. If you wanted to have something a little more portable and not less and more for travel, this is really light. It's the Anchor 621, 5,000 milliamps, charges at 5 watts. You can plug in. It looks really great. It's sleek and it just has a nice design. I like that. Andar in Spanish means to carry, and this is my everyday carry here for my iPhone 14, my iPhone 15. Andar features a wide variety of high-end luxury leather goods, including bags, handbags, wallets, cases, watch straps for your Apple Watch, and wallets to boot. I love my Aspen, which comes in a myriad of different colors. If you want to opt into the brown for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, or if you wanted to opt into the camel tan, this is great here to be able to level up. I also have the watch strap, which is a great way to be able to add to your Apple Watch and have luxury on the go. Andar sources the leather ethically, and they have excellent customer service in the event you have a question, a concern, or a need. Check out down below in the description for a 15% off code using Tech Influence for a coupon here on your first order. Check out those links as well, as they do help out the channel. With that said, my pungos, don't forget to use code TechInfluence here for 15% off your Andar leather case or your watch strap or your bag or wallet. It definitely helps out the channel. With that said, I think this is one of the highest quality leather cases out there for content creation to be able to level up, and I love how it's got the MagSafe capability. All the product and pricing will be down below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. Andy with Tech Influence. See ya. Bye.